So hi guys, let's unbox Mom's by me in camp in Philippines. So I'm in Canada guys today because it's so cold and it's so big. Open it now. Yeah. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a money. $9. $9. I'm so happy. I want the pink one. This one. A blind box again? Hell no. In McDonald's. And we got pencil. We got some clip. And, what's this? Why is it open? Bye.